If you run a business, you know the feeling. You export a report from Tally, open it up, and you're staring at rows and rows of numbers. Making sense of it all can really make your head spin. Well, not anymore. This is KwikFigs, your intelligent dashboard that turns Tally into insights in seconds. Just pick the report you want: GST R1, balance sheet, profit and loss, or ratio analysis. Drop in the Excel file, and KwikFigs does the rest. No more digging through spreadsheets to make sense of your numbers. Let me show you how easy it is. It's just 2 steps. First, pick your report. Let's choose balance sheet. Then simply drag and drop the Excel workbook you exported from Tally. It's a secure upload, and in moments, your report is ready. Quick, isn't it? And here's your balance sheet, completely transformed. Right at the top, you get the key financial metrics at a glance: your fixed assets, investments, current assets, liabilities, working capital, and current ratio. The health of your business all in one view. Scroll down, and your data comes to life. Clear, colorful charts break down exactly how your assets and liabilities are composed, group by group and item by item. So you can spot what matters in a single glance. Want the finer detail? KwikFigs ranks your top assets and top liabilities, showing how much each one contributes to the total. And everything is neatly organized, segment by segment, so nothing gets missed. Now this is where KwikFigs really stands out. The actionable alerts. KwikFigs analyzes your report and flags exactly what needs your attention. In simple traffic light colors. Green means you're stable, orange means keep an eye on it, and red means act now. Each one with a clear recommendation for your management team. And to wrap it all up, a crisp executive summary, board-ready highlights, and recommended next steps, so you always know where your business stands and what to do next. Still have questions? Every report comes with its own AI assistant. Just ask about your revenue, your taxes, your ratios, anything. And it'll answer in plain, simple language, helping you make confident decisions in seconds. Every report you create is saved right here, ready to open whenever you need it. And sharing is just as simple. Send a secure link or email it straight to your team or your accountant. You always stay in control of who can see what. And of course, your data stays safe. KwikFigs is fully compliant with the DPDP Act 2023, protected with SSL encryption, and all your data stored right here in India. You decide how your data is used. You can export it anytime, and you can delete your account whenever you wish. You're always in control. So that's KwikFigs, your numbers finally made simple. Thank you for watching. Try KwikFigs today and simplify the way you run your business.